Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I want to talk about first of the Ashta Kootas, that is called Varna Koota. So, for the purpose of checking the suitability of a girl and a boy for the purpose of marriage, basically Ashta Kootas or 8 Kootas are used. This is the same in Telugu speaking land and I think even North India. So here in this slide you can see the names of all the 8 Ashta Kootas. The first one is the topic of today, that is Varna Koota. You can see that they are in a serial number 1 to 8. Actually the numbers given are also the points given for these different Kootas. The total of the points 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 36. That is why the total number of points or maximum number of points you can get is 36, and half, that is 18 points or more, is supposed to be a pass for this Kootas test. Okay, you can see that the names of the Kootas are Varna Koota, Vatsa Koota, Dina or Tara Koota, Yoni Koota, Graha Maitri or Rasyadhipa Koota, then Gana Koota, then Rasi or Bha Koota, then Nadi Koota. These are the 8 Kootas. Now here in this picture you can see the South Indian type of typical chart given. So under these Ashta Kootas, all the Ashta Kootas are based on the position of the moon in chart. In this example, moon is at 5 degrees, which means he is in Mesha Rasi and in Aswini Nakshatra, second Padam. To find out what are the different nakshatras and rasis, in the description you are given a provision to download a PDF. That will give you a table of all the nakshatras. You can see that there are 27 nakshatras divided into the 12 rasis. When a person is born, the rasi in which Chandragraha is sitting is called Janmarasi. The nakshatra in which Chandra is sitting is called Janma Nakshatra. Among these 8 Kootas, you can observe that half of them are Rasi based and half of them are star based. That means the division or the explanation or definition for these 4 Kootas are for Rasi, and the remaining 4 are based on the star a person is born in. In Indian culture of yesteryears, Varna was given a lot of importance, but that Varna qualification was by the family one was born in. In Varna Koota, people are divided into 4 Varnas depending on the Rasi they were born in. Nowadays, it's a taboo or is considered barbaric. Unofficially, caste system rules India. Officially too, the politicians and lawmakers dole out goodies based on caste. Anyway, here an attempt was made to divide people into popular Varna system based on the Rasi they were born in. There are 4 Varnas: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaisya, Sudra. So starting from Meena Rasi, each 4 Rasis are called Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaisya, Sudra. You can do the same counting from Mesha Rasi also. In that case, the order becomes Kshatriya, Vaisya, Sudra, Brahmana. Counting from Mesha Rasi is more popular in astrology. This 4 each division is applied for Varna, like we have done now, and then Purusharthas called Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, and then 4 elements in nature called Agni Tattva, Bhutattva, Vayu Tattva, Jala Tattva, starting from Mesha Rasi. One important thing to remember is, in these Ashta Kootas, all checking is done from the girl to the boy. The reference is always from the girl to the boy. So the check in Varna Koota is that the girl should not be of a higher Varna than the boy. Varnas can be the same. The idea seems to be that a boy is expected to have a higher or same aim or purpose in life, so that family life is based on strong dharma. A man is supposed to follow proper dharma and a wife is supposed to follow him and is called Sahadharmacharini. Now let us see 1 or 2 examples. If the girl is of Bharani star and boy is Aslesha star, girl is in Mesha Rasi and boy is in Karka Rasi. Mesha is a Kshatriya Rasi and Karka is a Brahmana Rasi. So the girl is of a lesser Varna compared to the boy. Hence the match gets 1 point full. In another case, say the girl is Uttarashadha 1 and the boy is Mrigasira 2. Rasis are Dhanus and Vrishabha. Varnas are Brahmin girl and Vaisya boy. So this match is not suitable. Matching gets 0 points. If the girl is of same Varna or of a lesser Varna compared to the boy, the couple get 1 full point or gunas, else the couple get 0 points. Alternative definition. There is an alternative definition that can be found in Muhurta Darpana. Mr. B.V. Raman also quoted this in his book on Muhurta. This is a typical problem in astrology, confusing people with multiple definitions. We will keep this aside. Now definitions are given, rules are made, and then exceptions are given to open the gates for all possibilities. If the compatibility does not exist as per Varna based Rasis, one can check Varna of the Lord of the Rasi to ensure compatibility. That is a rule given in Jyotir Nibandha, quoted by Iranganti Rangacharya Garu in his book Muhurta Sindhu. So we need to know the lords of each Rasi. For Mesha Rasi, Kuja is the lord, etc. These planets too have Varna. What Jyotir Nibandha mentions as far as the lordship of planets is concerned is as per Brihajataka. But nowadays most of the astrologers agree that Ravi and Kuja are Kshatriyas, Guru and Shukra are Brahmanas, Chandra and Buddha are Vaisyas, and Shani is Sudra. Anyway, as there is some confusion in the definition of the exception itself, and also because this Kutami has only 1 point out of the 36, I think we can neglect and not bother about the exception. So that's about Varna Kotami. That's all for now. In the next video, I'll try to talk about the second Kotami called Vasya Kotami. Please subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Thank you.